Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest full of tall trees and chirping birds, there lived many animals. Among them were a rabbit and a tortoise. The rabbit was well known in the forest for being very fast. He had long legs, strong muscles, and could run like the wind. He loved showing off his speed and often bragged about it. The tortoise, on the other hand, was quiet and slow. He carried his heavy shell on his back and moved step by step. He never hurried, never boasted, but always kept moving. One day, the rabbit was boasting loudly to a group of animals. "No one can run faster than me. I'm the fastest animal in the forest." Some animals clapped, but others looked bored. The rabbit laughed and said, "Even the slow old tortoise knows I'm the fastest." The tortoise, who had been listening silently, looked up and said calmly, "I may be slow, but I'm not afraid to race you." The animals gasped. The rabbit stared in surprise. "You? Race me? You'll never win," said the rabbit, laughing so hard he rolled on the grass. But the tortoise only said, "Let's try. Tomorrow morning. From the river to the mango tree." The other animals agreed and decided to watch the race. The next morning, the animals gathered. The sun was shining. Birds were singing. The fox stood between them and said, "On your marks, get set. Go." The rabbit zoomed ahead in a flash, whoosh. Dust flew behind him. The tortoise started moving slowly, step, step, step. The rabbit looked back and laughed, "He's so slow. I have time to rest." Halfway through the race, the rabbit saw a shady tree and decided to lie down. "The tortoise is far behind. I'll just take a quick nap." He closed his eyes and soon fell asleep under the cool shade. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept going, step by step, never stopping. His legs were tired, but he didn't give up. While the rabbit slept, the tortoise quietly passed him. The sun rose higher. The finish line came closer. At last, the tortoise reached the mango tree. All the animals cheered. Just then, the rabbit woke up. He yawned, stretched, and then panicked. "Oh no," he cried. He ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. The tortoise had already finished the race. The animals gathered around the tortoise. They clapped and shouted, "Hooray for the tortoise! Slow and steady wins the race." The rabbit hung his head in shame. "I was too proud," he said. "I thought I'd already won before the race was over." The tortoise smiled kindly and replied, "It's not about being the fastest. It's about never giving up."